Okay, next we're going to come over here and we're going to press enter just after the 2, and we're going to type in a similar title, and our title is "What will you print today?" And I'd like you guys to go back and make the P and the T capitalized. And then what we're going to do is press enter over here, enter again, and we're going to change this to our left alignment, which we did before. We're going to type in Thingiverse. Is an amazing and I got that wrong there, so I'll just correct it. Alright, we're going to be looking at Thingiverse, and we're going to do that in this class. This is going to allow us to do that 3D printer that we have over in the corner there, and I'll show you guys and talk about that later. But what I'd like you guys to do is I want you guys to go and right here I want you to type in a description. And then I want you to tab over and type in URL, and we're going to type in image. And then we're going to talk about a couple of these after we have put them in there. So first we're going to at least get these centered, like I have them here. And I'd like you guys to put in a color going across the top, and this time we're going to color them all the same. Keep in mind you want to have that color not too dark so that it doesn't cover up our words here. So I'm just going to choose something like that. And now right here, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to this Thingiverse website. So to do this, what I want you to do is I want you to make a new tab and type in Thingiverse. And it will pop up like this. And all you need to do is click on it. And you should come up with a website similar to the one I have here. In this cool search area, you can type in and look for all different kinds of items. So one of the ones I'm going to look for is I'm going to look for trucks. Now you'll see how I have all kinds of different trucks. Trucks for like a skateboard, all kinds of different items that I could choose from. Now, I'm just looking for something that I might like to print that has to deal with a truck. So I'm going to scroll through here and look for something that I might want to do when it comes time to do a print. And what I think I might do is go back to the top because I haven't seen anything that jumps out at me yet. Although I do like this one. So what I'm going to do is click on the one I like. And first what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy down the URL. So there are a couple things we're going to do with this page. One is we're going to click up here and we're going to click on the URL. This is a URL right here. This is the address of this page. And I'm going to click on it and you're going to right click and choose copy. You're going to bring this back and you're going to put this right here, and you're going to right click, choose paste. Now I want you guys to change this size so it's not so big. We're going to bring it back down to 12. Now we're going to come over here on this side and we're going to put the image in. So we're going to come over here, we're going to look at our image, we're going to right click on the image, and if the guy doesn't have it as a private image, we're able to copy it. So we copy image, bring it back over here, right click, and we're going to put in paste. And it looks like I was able to. Now if you're unable to, that just means that the person didn't want anyone to copy their image, and therefore you're going to have to go and get a new image. Over here on the description, we're going to write in exactly what it is that we have, and we're going to change that back to 12. This is a link, and I'm going to get rid of all that bolding and underlining, and I think I have the same thing up here. I'm going to change that not to blue but to black. This is a site with the car or the truck I would like to print. So once you have done at least one here, I would like you guys to go and fill up the rest of these just like how you did this right here. And once you get it done with all of this, go ahead and go on to the next movie.